Welcome back to Household Reviews. Here's a review on the Roborock robot vacuum. We had a previous vacuum cleaner robot, fell down the steps, so we tried this one for about a month. We love it, and we're going to give it a try. So here we got some
dustbin removed.
Yeah, dustbin, picked up some dust, got a filter on it. Pretty powerful
Dustbin
unit.
installed.
Yeah, it even talks to you. We are going to give it a try. Roborock vacuum cleaner. Uses mop feature. Look how powerful it is. Suction up, gets the corners. Alright, it's my review for Household Reviews. Give us a like down below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a great day.